A Joker Visa card is a prepaid Visa gift card or virtual prepaid card. These cards work exactly like regular Visa debit or credit cards on Amazon, as long as they have sufficient balance and are activated. Step-by-step guide. Activate the card, if not already done. Most Joker Visa gift cards require activation. Go to the website printed on the card, usually giftcards.com, vanillagift.com, or a similar issuer portal. Enter the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and 3-digit CVV, back of card. Follow prompts to register, char, activate. May ask for zip code or simple security questions. Some cards auto-activate at purchase. Check the packaging or receipt. Add the card to your Amazon account. Log into Amazon.com or app. Hover over account and lists your payments. Click Add a payment method. Select credit or debit card. Enter card number, 16 digits. Name on card, usually gift card holder or your name. Expiration date, CVV, 3 digits on back. Billing address. Use any valid US address. Many prepaid cards accept billing address of purchaser or random valid zip. Click Add your card. Make a purchase. Add items to cart. Proceed to checkout. Select your newly added Joker Visa card as the payment method. If balance is enough, order completes normally. If balance is too low, Amazon lets you split payment. Use card for part. Another method for rest.